Yo, what's good, everyone? Welcome back. I'm Inko.
And I'm Sophia. Hello, everyone.
It's awesome to be here. How you doing, Sophia?
I'm doing wonderful, thanks. I've got my tea ready. What about you, Inko?
I'm pumped. Really excited about today's topic.
Oh, what are we diving into?
Today, we're talking about something that can literally change everything for you.
Everything? That sounds important.
We're talking about how your brain works when you learn, like the thoughts running through your head.
Ah, you mean our mental approach?
Exactly. There's a word for this. Mindset.
Mindset. That's a powerful word.
It is, but the concept is actually super simple. Your mindset is just how you think and feel about something.
Oh, so like thinking English is impossible, that's a mindset?
Perfect example. Or thinking English is exciting. That's also a mindset.
I see. So we're discussing positive thinking for language learning.
Yeah, how to shift your perspective. Change your thoughts, change your results.
That's powerful stuff, Inko.
For real. But yo, before we get deep into this,
Yes. Quick favor time.
if you're vibing with what we do here, smash that like button real quick.
Yes, and if you're new here, welcome. Hit subscribe.
And share this with someone who's learning English. Help them out.
Your support means everything to us.
Facts. Thank you all. Okay, Sophia, let's talk mindset.
Let's do it. You mentioned English is impossible as a mindset.
Right. Let's call this the fixed mindset.
Fixed. What does that mean?
It means locked in place, not moving, trapped.
Oh, I've felt that way before, like I'm not improving.
That's the feeling. Exactly. The fixed mindset says stuff like, I'm terrible at this, or I'll never get it.
Those are discouraging thoughts.
They are. And when you think that way, you want to quit.
Right. You lose motivation.
So this fixed mindset, not helpful. But there's another way.
A better approach?
Much better. We call it the growth mindset.
Growth mindset. Like growing a garden?
Exactly. Plants start tiny and grow every single day.
I like this analogy.
So the fixed mindset says, I suck at this. But the growth mindset,
What does it say?
it says, I'm still learning this.
Oh, wow. I suck versus I'm learning.
You feel the difference?
Totally different energy. I suck feels permanent. I'm learning feels hopeful.
Exactly. Hopeful. That's the vibe we want.
The growth mindset says, this is challenging, but I can figure it out.
You're getting it, Sophia?
So the first step is recognizing our thoughts.
Yes. Are your thoughts fixed or growing?
But Inko, how do I actually change negative thoughts? If I feel inadequate, how do I stop?
Great question. I got a magic word for you.
Magic word? Tell me.
It's super short. The word is yet.
Yet. Y-E-T.
That's it. 3 letters.
I know that word. It means not now, but possibly later.
Exactly. It's a future word, a hope word.
Okay. How do I use this magic word?
Let's take a negative thought, like, I don't get grammar.
Oh, yes, I hear that all the time.
I don't get grammar. Now, add the magic word at the end.
I don't get grammar yet.
How's that feel?
Wow, completely different.
Right? I don't get grammar means game over. But I don't get grammar yet means you're in progress.
It means I just need more time and practice.
Exactly. It opens the door to possibility.
Let's try another one.
Hit me.
I can't speak English smoothly.
Okay. Add the magic word.
I can't speak English smoothly yet.
Yes, perfect.
This is actually fun. It feels empowering.
It removes the doom and gloom, turns a fixed thought into a growth thought.
This is excellent advice, Inko. The magic word, yet.
Remember it. Use it daily.
I will. Okay, so that's tip number 1.
Now, let's talk about something everyone hates.
What's that?
Mistakes.
Mistakes. I really dislike making mistakes.
I know, right? Most people do. When you mess up, How do you feel?
I feel embarrassed. I feel foolish. I feel frustrated.
Same. We all feel that way. This is the fixed mindset talking again.
I know. So what does the growth mindset think about mistakes?
The growth mindset celebrates mistakes.
Celebrates them? Inko, that sounds crazy. Mistakes are failures.
Hold up. Listen to this. Think about a toddler.
A toddler?
Yeah, a little kid learning to walk.
Okay, like my nephew Leo. He's learning to walk right now.
Is he smooth at it? Does he walk like an adult?
No, he's terrible at it. He stands up and immediately falls.
He falls constantly, right?
All the time.
Now, Sophia, when Leo falls, what do you tell him?
We cheer him on. We say, "Great try, Leo. You can do it."
Exactly. Do you say, Leo, you're a failure. Give up walking?
Never. That would be horrible.
Of course not. Why does he fall?
Because he's learning.
Bingo! The fall is part of the process.
The mistake teaches him what works and what doesn't.
You got it. When he falls, his brain learns.
Oh, that balance didn't work. Let me adjust.
Exactly. So, learning English is identical to learning to walk.
When I make a mistake in English, I'm not incompetent.
You're learning. You're like Leo learning to walk.
I'm falling, but it's okay.
It's more than okay. It's necessary. A mistake isn't failure. It's feedback.
Feedback. I like that reframe.
Your brain goes, oh, that phrase didn't work. I'll try differently.
You have to be kind to yourself.
Yes. When you mess up, tell yourself, it's cool. I'm learning. I'm like Leo learning to walk.
I love that so much. Mistakes are teachers.
They show you're trying, and trying is what matters most.
My mindset is already shifting.
Good. So you got the magic word, yet, and mistakes are your teachers.
But Inko, learning English still feels overwhelming.
I feel you. It's like climbing a massive mountain, right?
Yes, and I'm at the base, looking up, feeling exhausted.
That's a huge problem. So here's my next tip.
What is it?
Stop looking at the peak of the mountain.
What? But that's the destination.
It is, but it's too big. It makes you feel tiny and overwhelmed.
So what should I look at?
Look at your feet. Look at the next step. Just one.
One single step?
Yes. Don't say, I must master all of English today.
That's impossible.
Right. Don't say, I must study for 6 hours.
That's too much. I don't have that time.
Instead say, today I'll learn 3 new words.
3 words? That's manageable.
Totally. Cat, happy, run. Done.
Good.
Or, today I'll watch 1 English video.
1 video? That's like 5 minutes.
Exactly. Or, today I'll listen to 1 podcast episode.
Hint, hint, maybe this one.
There you go. Small actions every day. That's how transformation happens.
You know, this reminds me of a story.
Oh, yeah? Share it.
There was this guy who wanted to build a long, beautiful fence.
Okay. A fence.
He looked at the empty space and thought, I can never build this. It's too much.
Fixed mindset. Alert.
Exactly. But then his mentor showed up.
Hey, mentor.
The mentor said, you're right, you can't build this fence.
Wait, that's not encouraging.
The mentor said, don't try to build a fence.
Huh?
Just focus on this one post. Your job today isn't building a fence, it's placing one post perfectly.
1 post.
Yes. So the guy did. He placed 1 post perfectly. Next day, 1 more post. Day after, another.
And after many days,
He had his long, beautiful fence.
that's perfect. He didn't build a fence. He just placed 1 post daily.
So our 3 new words, that's our 1 post.
Our 1 video, that's our 1 post.
We're not learning English today. We're just placing 1 post.
And eventually, we look back and see something amazing.
Inko, I feel so motivated right now.
Me too. I want to go place a post.
That's the growth mindset energy.
It's not about being perfect today. It's about being slightly better than yesterday.
It's about the journey, not instant perfection.
Wow, Sophia, this has been such a good conversation.
It really has. And look at the time.
Time flies when you're building fences.
So let's recap our main ideas for a growth mindset.
All right. Idea 1, shift from fixed thoughts to growth thoughts.
I'm bad is fixed. I'm learning is growth.
Idea 2, use the magic word, yet.
I'm not confident yet.
Love it. Idea 3, mistakes are your teachers.
They're like falling when learning to walk. Totally normal.
And bonus idea, don't build the fence.
Just place one post.
Take one small action every single day.
Perfect summary.
Thank you, Ingo.
Thank you, Sophia. And huge thanks to everyone listening.
Yes, thank you all so much.
We hope this helps you feel better about your English journey.
And please, if you enjoyed this, subscribe.
And hit that like button. Helps other learners discover us.
We have a question for you too.
Yeah. In the comments, tell us, what's your one post for today?
What one small English thing will you do today?
Maybe you'll write one comment in English. That counts?
Yes, we read every single comment.
We really do.
Thank you all for being here.
See you next time, Sophia.
Bye, Inko.
Peace out, everyone.